Go, Griffey, go!
I don't think the other two did last one.
I have it on video. Come on, Griff. Griffin, this way! Of course when I'm recording he's not going to keep doing laps. Griffin, come on! Griffey! Griffin! What are you doing? 1, 3. 1, 3. Go, Griffey, go! Here he comes. He stopped. Griffey, where you go? Griffin! 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 Come here! Oh, he's right there. What's he got? You're trying to get your shoe off, or did it fall off? Your mommy fix it?
No.
Here, fix it. Oh, better. Oh, better. Stand up. Wait. Wait. Okay, go. This is like watching The Shining without a big wheel. He's gonna step on you. No, he's going right up the stairs.